Here's an example of a broken shift interlock latch. The screwdriver is pointing to the broken tab. The plastic breaks from continual use. Failure causes the inability to move the shifting mechanism out of park and drive the vehicle. The Dorman engineered shift interlock latch is made from aluminum for increased durability. This part saves on repair costs by allowing you to replace just the failed part, not the entire shifting mechanism. Before starting, remove the shifter from the vehicle. Separate the upper housing from the lower half by prying up on the mounting tabs with a screwdriver. Press down on the interlock mechanism and place the shifter in the neutral position. Remove broken shift interlock latch and the old spring. Place the new shift interlock latch over the interlock shaft. Align the lever end so that it points through the opening in the shifter housing as shown. Install spring over the mounting tabs, first on the shift interlock latch and stretch over to attach to the tab located on the housing. Keep the shifter in neutral, place the cover back on. Make sure the mounting tabs are completely locked around the housing. Reinstall the shifter into the vehicle.